Is it video?
Yep.
Come on, boy.
Get him on the cup.
I'm trying. Go on, Dip.
Ladies and gentlemen, the result of this evening's vote is a two-way tie with 3 votes each for Dave and Helen, and also for Lynn and Steve. I ask those 2 couples to follow me while the rest of you come together and decide whom I'm awarding a yellow card to this evening. Thank you.
So nice.
David and Helen and Lynn and Steve must wait patiently in the cattle shed.
Your turn.
While the others decide their
My
fate.
turn.
We've got a bit more common with Dave.
Your turn.
Dave's obviously brilliant.
My turn.
Is that good, Dip?
We haven't got it in for us.
My turn.
The thing is, they had it in
Get out of the way. It's my turn.
All I want to say
You say no, it's my
we've been in
turn.
this position twice
My
Grabbing the
turn.
cup.
I've been overruled twice before. Sometimes it's got to
Wicked.
go
Thanks.
the
Kiss,
way
kiss.
I want it
Kiss,
to
kiss
go.
then.
No, he wants tea.
There's no point in having the
Kiss.
deliberation because if I'm going to be
Kiss.
out bolting all the time.
It wasn't a split decision.
Your turn, Dip.
Your turn.
Is it never going to be
Kiss more.
anything that I think?
If you're
Come
in
on,
the
kiss.
majority decision, then yeah.
Kiss.
Of course, that's how it
Wait,
works.
you're drinking me tea. I want a kiss.
Alison was going
No,
to
you've done enough.
Is it not going to go my way?
Done enough?
Is it never
No,
going to
no,
go
you
my
haven't.
way?
My turn.
All I'll say is, you've got to
Thank
think
you.
about who you want to be on the coach with and who.
You've got to think what's fair.
Brilliant. Thank you. It's getting a bit short in there, isn't it? Hey?
Ladies and gentlemen, if
Well,
you
I
decide,
have a
please,
drink up
I'm
then.
awarding a yellow card to this
Go on
evening.
then.
You'll
Think
be
so,
awarding
innit?
a yellow card to Helen and Dave.
Fair enough. Come on then.
So the result of this evening's vote is
No.
your first yellow card for Helen and Dave. Thank you.
No, none of that, boy.
In a country famous for its neutrality, it seems that war has broken out on the coach.
You've had enough tea.
Not to get a yellow card so far it's been 8-9 days, isn't it? Alison goes off at top all the time at vote, just like total.
Mate, you had enough tea. There's too much sugar in there for you, boy.
You'll be iPad.
Yellow carditis.
Come on.
Shush.
They'll just have to keep feeling sick.
I'm a bit shocked off Lynn.
Nah.
Lynn's like,
You're not having no
"Wait,"
more.
she's like,
Kiss.
it's like, it's war,
Good
though,
boy.
isn't it?
I workshop with Lynn.
I want Alex.
Good boy. Go
I
on.
don't mind, but I'm just giving me painkillers for a vote. Taking them back.
Now look what I can do.
Next time,
Yeah.
the group have
Yeah,
liftoff.
time to read that.
Fantastic! Loved it! Loved it! And at the vote,
It's very difficult to speak and get a word in.
Well, you know, if you've got it, flaunt it, kid.
Yes,
At the end of the day, you've got a big
Oh,
pen.
Dippy's
Yeah, I am.
cute.
Very big.
Shut up. What are you waiting?
Watch Brendan give his honest opinions about the passengers in his video diaries. It's exclusive at channel4.com/coachtrip. 8 o'clock tonight, location Torquay and Devon for Phil and Kirsty. Pack your trunks here on 4 next. Come dine with me.
Explore the world with Hotels.com. Sponsors of
Enough.
Coach
Come on then.
Hotels.com. Wake up happy.
What's that?
Flora
Walking
cuisine,
ladder.
45% less saturated fat than olive oil.
Really?
Yeah, I'm looking after you.
Come on then.
Want
Want to do some swinging?
did something.
Want to do some swinging? No? Want to swing?
Flora cuisine.
Get on, swing.
Treatment for the hearts you love.
There you go.
You just hear that word. Cancer.
Want to swing?
Disappeared.
Don't bite.
And she was
Oh,
I can help you through this. Telling the kids.
Come on, buddy.
I don't think I'd have
Come on.
if Joe from the
What are you doing there?
taught me through it.
This is the bit I don't like.
Advice about
Come on.
benefits. And now I can stop worrying about
No. There you go.
He went there without fighting you this time.
It's off.
No. I just turn it off.